One new Kingston HP5000 heavy-duty precision lathe, featuring a weight of 20,000 pounds. 34-inch swing over the bed, 16 feet between centers, 25 inches over the cross slide, 7-inch spindle bore, A2 15 ASA spindle mount on front and back of spindle, 16 speeds from 8 to 700 RPM with inching button, 30 horsepower main motor and amp meter, foot brake and automatic hydraulic braking system. Comprehensive feed and threading capabilities. Automatic feed and rapid traverse on X and Z axis. Six Morse taper, 2-speed tailstock quill. With hand crank for positioning of tailstock. 4 feed and lead screw supports. Shown with Bison 25-inch all-steel 3-jaw chuck. Chuck guard. 40-position quick change tool post. 1 follower and 3 steady rests. Coolant system. Newell 2-axis digital readout.